Ever heard of Beforepay? This app lets you get paid early for work you've already done. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But here's the burning question: is Beforepay only for U.S. citizens? Stick around, because we're about to find out. Getting paid early can be a lifesaver. Unexpected bills, a sudden opportunity, or just wanting to treat yourself, sometimes you need that cash now. That's where on-demand pay apps like Beforepay come in. They offer a lifeline by giving you access to your earned wages before your regular payday. But what if you're not based in the U.S.? Can you still use these apps? Let's dive in. The simple answer is, it depends. While Beforepay and many similar apps are primarily designed for U.S. workers, the global gig economy is booming. This means there's a growing demand for on-demand pay solutions worldwide. U.S. focus: most of the major on-demand pay apps, including Beforepay, were initially developed for the U.S. market. They often have specific integrations with U.S. payroll systems and banking regulations. Global expansion: however, the landscape is evolving. Some companies are starting to expand their services to other countries. Keep an eye on official announcements from Beforepay and similar apps for updates on their international availability. Regional variations: even within the U.S., availability can vary by state due to differing labor laws and regulations. If Beforepay isn't available in your country, don't despair. There might be other options available to you. Local alternatives: research local companies or fintech startups that offer similar on-demand pay services. Employer benefits: check if your employer offers any early pay options, such as advances on your paycheck or access to earned wages. Financial wellness programs: some employers offer financial wellness programs that include resources for budgeting, saving, and accessing emergency funds. Tips for finding alternatives: online research: conduct thorough online research using keywords like early pay apps, your country, or on-demand pay, your region. App Store exploration: browse your country's app store for relevant apps. Financial institutions: contact your bank or credit union to inquire about any early pay options they may offer. Employer inquiries: reach out to your HR department to discuss any available early pay benefits. Before using any on-demand pay app, it's crucial to understand the terms and conditions. Fees: be aware of any fees associated with early access to your wages, such as flat fees, percentage-based fees, or membership fees. Eligibility: understand the eligibility criteria, such as employment status, hours worked, and payroll frequency. Repayment: familiarize yourself with the repayment process and any potential impact on your future paychecks. Data security: prioritize apps with strong security measures to protect your financial information. While Beforepay may not be available everywhere, the need for flexible financial solutions is universal. By exploring the options available in your region and understanding the potential costs and benefits, you can find ways to access your earned wages when you need them most. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.